Oh, oh Lord help me. Oh. Yo, what's up everybody? We're back with another Thief VR simulator video. Today, or not, last time, if y'all saw the last video, we finally unlocked the normal lockpick, and we went down here and played around with it a little bit. Don't mind that, I made a little bit of mess with my crowbar before the video. Anyways, we did that, and apparently we have to break a toilet on 113th Street. Alright, so we need to go do that. Sorry. So yeah, let's just get right into this. Hope y'all enjoy this video, and please leave a comment on if y'all are enjoying these videos. And yeah, let's just get right into this. Alright, so it's nighttime. Already in drive. So I have no clue where 113th Street is, I don't think. At least I don't think I know where it's at. But since it's nighttime, there are probably gonna be people at the house. So we're gonna need to be sneaky unless they're out partying or something, which if that was the case, if that was the case, I would not mind breaking their toilet and stealing their belongings out. But yeah. Oh, it's right beside the house we robbed last time. Okay. So, let's see what kind of trouble we can get ourselves into. So I don't know if anyone's home. Can we lockpick? No, we need a front door key. Doesn't look like anyone's home. Let's look around back. Alright, so gotta lockpick this. Alright. There we go. That's an easy lockpick. What they got in their trash can? Absolutely nothing. Alright. Let's see. No. Oh. Oh. Okay, so there are people here. Okay, so supposed to break their toilet. Oh, why is he out? Why are they out here? No.
Help!
No, crap. I don't know what okay. Move! Excuse me. Sorry. Passing through. I don't know what's going on. I'm just a little person going, you know. I'm just a driver, driving to my work. This is my safe spot last time, so just sit here and wait for the action to die down. And we're good. Act like nothing happened. Because nothing did happen, right? Right. I honestly might need to wait till morning time. I might end up doing that. I might end up waiting till morning. So we know people are here. Obviously. Holy crap, he's walking fast, whoever that is. No, he's not. No, he isn't. Nuh-uh. He better not be coming.
Later.
Help! Jesus. Dude. Is there a tornado happening? What the crap? It's not going. It's not turning on. It's not turning on. I'm sorry if I heard my dog barking. It's something going on. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna wait till morning. Okay. Sleep. Use tablet. Sleep. Early. Like 9. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Just get out of this. I must turn my car off for some reason. Alright. Oh, I got the hiccups. Oh Lord help me. Oh my. Stop the car. Oh my. I got the hiccups. I hate this. Stop! Let's try this again. Hopefully they're not home. Still haven't locked this door back. Nobody in the bedroom. Just hop in here. Do we still got that stuff? Yeah, we do. Wonderful. Put that in the bag. Need you. Okay, sworn I heard something. I don't know why they have another alarm clock, but helps me out. Wonder what they've been filming on this. $39 though. Okay. Gotta pick the lock. This is easy. No, this one's easy compared to the other one. There we go. Yeah, no one's home. How much are you? 4? Nah. We'll leave you be. Phone. Perfect. Frick. Gosh, man, get in my back. Oh, a printer. Oh my Lord, they have so much good stuff. Alright, before we steal this big stuff, let's go break this toilet like I'm supposed to. Are you another router? Yes. Give me you two. Okay, I got it. Perfect. Now let's steal this really valuable stuff real quick. Let's open this door real quick because we got the key. Awesome. And then let's start moving because I live here. Definitely don't look weird. Just walking around. Neighbors. Hopefully they don't remember when I robbed them. I meant when I entered their home. I never robbed them. I don't rob people. What? Trees floating. Okay, this is when we leave. Police still in the back seat? You're not. Okay, let's try to leave real quick. Act like they didn't see me. Oh my Lord, are you serious? Ugh. Please. Please. Nope. I don't have to move my car real quick. Turn on. There we go. There we go. Okay, I thought I was still rolling. Okie dokie. Hope they don't wonder why I have their TV right here. Alright, we're leaving this receiver here. That's a great place. Because this printer is 380, and that's good. So we're gonna keep it. And this TV is 98, but that only fits for the bigger flat. So we only have one of those. This was a lot easier of a mission, I would say, compared to the last one. I think we have accomplished mastery of mastery of stealing things. Can I slow down? Thank you. I think we have done that. I believe so. Let's go to the pawn shop. Let's go to the pawn of the shop. Awesome.
Welcome to my lair.
A C. Don't see how. Get it? See how? Sorry. Ooh, I can skill level up. I want new lot picking. Can I do anything else? I can get better agility? Ooh, a better backpack. Gimme. Can I do another one? No. Can I do anything else? I cannot. Okay. Sell. Oh, wow, that's good money. Yeah, that's some good money right there.
Farewell.
There we go. Looking handy dandy now, guys. Looking exquisite. And we're home. My garage. Wow. This is where I live, guys. This is a really nice garage. What the crap happened here? Can I climb out? No. Can I walk out? No. Oh, wow.
For the next task, I need you to learn how to climb a lattice. Like a man spider, you know?
Learn agility 2. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna get that soon. I just know it. I could get it now if I wanted, but I can't. Because I have to like it during the story. Story. Where the crap? Oh, let me get back. Please, sir, please, come over here. Okay, back to work. Story. Get you two. I hate ketchup. You're definitely you need to leave. Ketchup is gross. Can I open you? No, you just need to go. Perfect. I haven't checked out my bathroom yet. What's up in my bathroom? Okay, we got some towels. We got some soap that doesn't work. We got some water. Yeah, that's some good water right there. What else we got? Some hygiene. Don't even got nothing there. Here's my water heater. Call mom. No. Here's my generator. A space cat on mushrooms. That sounds nice. This is my rations. What are you? A drill. I did not mean to say that. I had hiccups. I wish I could lift weights. Can I do that? Dang. I think it's time we sleep. Let's wake up at 8. Hiccup. Well, safe tracking. A glass knot. That's what I want to do, bro. Oh, this game's gonna be fun. Okay. So I'm supposed to just steal some stuff. So let's make a quick heist, real quick, and then we'll be done for the day. All right. Let's go see what we're gonna steal. Gosh, this thing's so hard to drive. Let's go back to my lovely first street that we used to rob all the time. That was a lovely street. I love that street. It brings me back to these streets. Yeah. these streets bring me back memories. Let me go rob this house. Smells like home. Smells like home. There's really not much in these homes. Thank goodness I got a key, right? Home sweet home. Alright, let's get this pot. Let's get this. They're going not in. Where'd that pot go? What the crap? There we go. Alright, toasters used to be valuable, but look at them now. Not worth but $2. I beg to differ. We'll rob the house to my right as well. Because I have a feeling this house isn't going to be enough. I still don't see why toilet paper is worth $0. I mean, it's a gold mine. The old TVs. Oh, how I miss you. Alright, let's open this. And no, we don't got to. Let's close it. We can just walk out the front door. What a lovely home. Crap. Are you serious? I have to lockpick it. I own this place. Why do I have to lockpick something? I literally have the key to it. Whatever. I guess that doesn't take the same key. Oh my gosh, this is a nice TV. Crap. Just try to show my TV off to people. It's upside down. Dude, these hiccups are going to be the reason why I get caught. I'm going to be robbing a house, and I'm going to hiccup. Someone is going to get me. Get in the frickin'. There we go. Slam it. There we go. Let's just walk down the street, you know. They need to add more civilians walking down and up the street. They need to. I'm positive I can't lockpick this. Oh, I don't need to. 110. I missed 110. Oh, that's hard to lockpick. Hat red. That's nice when you walk in your house and you're just right in your bedroom, you know. It's nice. I love these white pots. Oh God, what was that one? Ah, this is a valuable toaster. Now we're getting somewhere. Some of these things are not worthless, I feel like. Especially these saucepans. I mean, saucepans are everything but worthless. Ain't nothing freaking worth anything in here. Oh my gosh, these doors are gonna give me... I don't know what they're gonna give me, something. Alright, let's walk down the street again. This is nice. There we go. Alrighty, anyone home? Nope. God, I gotta lockpick everything. Oh! Oh, okay. That just... Oh my God. Jesus, I shouldn't have done this. Hey, get in. Where's my hand? We're okay. It's okay. Hey, man. What's going on, everybody? What's up? What happened? Guys. Hey, what happened? What's wrong with him? Is he okay?
Stay where you are.
No! Dang it, they saw me. Did I lose it? Oh, I lost everything. Crap. It's okay. Even when you fail, you still get greeted by a nice red bouncy ball that you can just throw at the cops and hope it comes back. Oh? Oh, I was trying to hit that one. despawned. Oh, not back. Alright, everyone. Well, I think I'm going to end the video here. I tried to make it entertaining. I don't really know what to do that much when it comes to these certain games. But comment down below if y'all liked it or not, and try to give me feedback on what I can do to make these videos better. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed, and see you on the next one. Peace.